Hello, I'm Caroline from Sanctuary Counselling and Therapy. I felt it might be helpful to put this video up on my page today to help people understand more about what counselling is, what the process involves, and how it can be helpful. So what is counselling and how is it defined? Counselling is a professional relationship between a trained counsellor and a client, held in an environment of absolute confidentiality, non-judgment, and impartiality. Counselling is a helping process that occurs when time is set aside in order to explore the difficulties a person is experiencing emotionally. So how does counselling assist? Well, helping happens through enabling a client to see things either more clearly or from a different perspective, with the goal to facilitating positive change within the client's situation. This works through what is called talking therapy and/or the application of counselling theories relative to a client's needs and situations. For a lot of people, talking to a stranger is difficult, especially from the viewpoint that the information and facts given to a counsellor are naturally of a sensitive nature. Counsellors operate from a strict code of ethics regarding confidentiality and other important factors, a code of ethics which is taken seriously by all trained counsellors. This information will never be passed on to anyone, unless in very rare cases a counsellor is compelled to do so, either by law or to protect either their client's life or the life of someone else within the situation. I would now like to speak briefly about what counselling is not. For example, counselling is not the giving of advice to a client or sorting out the problems of a client, and it is not encouraging a client to behave in a way which the counsellor considers appropriate based on their own belief system. Counselling is about creating a safe space for a client to explore their options and discover a way forward based on the insights and realizations that happen during the counselling process. The ultimate aim of counselling is to enable clients to make their own choices, their own decisions, and to empower them to act in ways that enable them to live positively and with confidence. Some people do feel that seeking help through counselling is a sign of weakness, or that by asking for help, they are admitting defeat in their ability to be in control of their own lives. People who feel this way are encouraged to alter their perception and come to the realization that asking for help and seeking it shows strength of character, because the person has the self-awareness to realize that living the best life one is capable of living sometimes requires a little help. That takes courage, and there is no weakness there. I hope that this video has been helpful in understanding more about counselling, and I thank you for listening, and I wish you all a blessed day.